Why new investors lose money. Investing for beginners. People lose money in the stock market because they think and assume investing is their ticket to getting rich quick. Hi guys, I made this video for all of you who want to start investing but you don't want to lose all your saved money. Losing $1,000 is way more painful than gain $1,000. Did you know that? Lack of education and overwhelming fear can cause investors to behave irrationally and make bad decisions. These are the 5 things you should know if you are new in stock market. 1. Understand the stock that you are buying. Understand company business model and how they make their money. If you don't, stay away from them. Stay away from index funds, mortgage REITs, ETFs. You shouldn't focus on this. Start with consumer stocks like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, Starbucks, Chipotle, Amazon, Target, Nike, Wendy's, Johnson & Johnson, Home Depot, Mondelez. You understand how they make their money, right? 2. Don't try to time market. Nobody can do this. You cannot even plan what you will eat for lunch tomorrow sometimes. So why you think that you can predict oil prices 6 months from now? 3. Stay away from penny stocks. Do you think you know when to buy and sell, how to stop loss, how to read candles? Not those ones, these candles. Till you don't learn this, stay away from penny stocks. 4. Stock options. You think you can predict the market. You think that you know is its stock value go up or down. Maybe you are right person to play with puts and calls. This is risk, but if you are newbie, better stay away from it. 5. Invest for long term. If you are stepping in this game, make sure to set the goal that you are aiming for. Is it early retirement? Is it passive income? Or you just believe in the company so much that you want to be a shareholder? Don't listen to fake gurus. Don't listen to Wall Street news. If you want to learn more about investing, please smash the like button and subscribe. See you soon.